Bam. Happy Friday, y'all. This is Jared Tries Trading, aka Jared James HD. Thanks for tuning in. It's 12:17 p.m. Pacific time, so 45 minutes before the close. I'm done for the day. I'm sick of this shit. It's January 7th, by the way. So let's just get into it, finish this up. I got some shit to do. I didn't post yesterday, but yesterday it was pretty damn boring. I came out yesterday, fucking, all I did was pay commissions, pretty much broke even. I don't even count these as wins. I mean, it was all right. A break even day is better than a red day, but it messes up my win rate over here. The day before, I had a great 100% day. I came in on like a couple hours of sleep and could not focus, could not really read the market. The market really wasn't doing anything, to be honest, yesterday. So I just skipped yesterday and also slept a lot. So on to today, a little bit of rest. 77% win rate. Great win rate. That's what I'm aiming for. But I closed one of my damn longs or my swings from yesterday for a loss. This is, of course, one of the trades that I followed one of the pros into. Of course, you're not supposed to follow them, but at the time, the daily looked pretty good. Let me go take a look at that. Pull it up for you guys. Let's see, what was it? Dollar Tree. I got in. This was yesterday? So this green bar was full. I got in almost at the top here for the break of this horizontal resistance right here. Let's see. Something like that. Looking for some follow through. But again, market first, market first, market first. Market tanked yesterday. And pretty much had to hold. And I didn't really like the daily. I think I talked about that. Actually, this was from Wednesday. Sorry, I didn't record yesterday. And this is SPY. Big red day. Bam. So all those gains that I thought was a breakout of horizontal resistance, gave it back. And yesterday and today, the market pretty much did nothing. But there were a few opportunities. I took some good trades today. Took my quick wins, my little base hits. But just that swing trade kind of messed me up. So this trade, minus 43% on my contract. It's just one contract. So took a big hit, minus 239, and pretty much wiped out every single positive trade I did today, which I'm not too happy about. But it's these trades that I need to eliminate. And it's really hard when you try to lean on these dailies. And I think the lesson here is the market has to be right for you to take these overnight. Otherwise, you should close them. So let's go back to the market. If you want to lean on the daily, you should probably be in one of these pullbacks here, or in just one of these crazy uptrend kind of periods. But if you rely on the daily up here, you're at risk of, just like January 4th, I leaned on the daily, and then the next day the market tanks, and then the stock's not going to be able to hold. And it might, not tank as much as SPY, but still, I mean, you're going to take a loss because the stock can't handle it, right? So maybe here, down at these SMAs, I don't know if this SMA 50 is going to hold. If it is, the next couple days might be a good day to lean on the daily and swing. Whereas up here, I just never know what's going to happen, man. You're always looking for a gap up, but you want to be swinging in these days, these big bull days. Not when it's kind of choppy up here with small candles, no volume. And yeah, you could swing some and you might get lucky, or it might be a still good trade, but I'm getting killed on these damn swings. And if I could avoid them, it would have been a nice, what is this? Let's see. Without those two. Oh, I guess I can't update it. But it's like $100 or something. Would have been a great day. But anyways, I'll get into a couple of these trades. Let's see. DVN. I don't even know if the charts are up yet, though. Get this loaded up. Relative strength, options, of course. Nice little move. I need to work on my entry. I need to start, trying to get in down here because I'm missing a lot of the move. But I'm still happy with my trade. Was patient through a pullback and sold right before another pullback. So I missed the majority of the move, but I took a little bit of it. So let's go check. What was this? 5% win, $30. That's cool with me. Let's go check out the daily on DVN. Switch screens. Bam, this is the daily. So at the time, this green bar was a lot more full. Obviously, the market's pulled back since then, but basically showing a lot of relative strength, breakout to the upside, and continuing this kind of bullish run here. And that was kind of easy to take. Let me put these indicators on. Above all SMAs, I'm sure it was above 1 OSI on all time frames. Let's see, what time did I get in? 11:30. So right here, actually right after this buy signal right here, I got in. OSI rising. It's a buy cycle in the 1 OP. Hike and ashy, flat bottom, candle stacked. What's SPY doing? SPY found its bottom. Bam. Stock takes off. So that was a perfect relative strength trade. I just need to work on my entries, but I'm happy with that trade. I'll do one more because I was talking a lot, and we're probably already about to hit 10 minutes. So let's see. This Apple loss was I tried to do a lotto, but trying to follow somebody else because I was bored. So let's not talk about that one. That's just a mistake. Shouldn't do it. BAC. Banks were strong out the gate today. Nice 8% return. I like this trade. Relative strength. Option. This was right in the morning, and all it took was 5-10 minutes. 5 minutes. Bought into strength. I think SPY at the time. Let's see, BAC. And I also checked the daily on every stock. Bam, big gap up. Break a horizontal resistance here. 1 OSI over 0. HA candles look good. And this was early in the day, so I mean that's a lot of momentum. So you want to make sure you take these quick. Pretty much SPY was up as well, and right before SPY was about to, pull back and tank to go find support, I got out of that trade. So that one was pretty straightforward. Let's do one more. Which one? I guess this one. BBWI. I was short, or I went long via a put. So I was betting the stock was going to go down. Relative weakness, option. Again, I could probably work on my entries, but I'm always trying to confirm if this is a real move or not, and I'm catching the tail end of these moves. So let's check out the daily on BBWI. I'm sure it's ugly. Always check the daily before you trade. Bam. Breakthrough, 2 SMAs, major supports a couple days ago. Gap down, big red candle. Continuation on that today. This was a great stock to short yesterday and today. Relatively weak. Let's go to the M5. 1 OSI was under 0. Big time. SPY was climbing. Stock barely. Forgot to switch screens. Sorry. Again, big red candles through major supports. Relatively weak to the market. Pretty straightforward on this one. Oops. SPY was up. Stock was down, and then SPY had SPY tailwind, down, all the way until SPY found support, and then the stock kind of just consolidated and drifted higher, low volume. So pretty nice trade for me. 3% return. What is that? I'm gonna go buy some McDonald's or something. but it's about consistent wins. And especially when you don't know what the market is doing, or, I'm still learning how to read the market, what's going on. I'm taking these quicker moves. Not only does it help me not get in trouble like these Dollar Tree kind of trades, but I stack my win rate, and hey, $100 a day, that's $500 a week. That's $2,000 a month. That's at least enough for rent out in the Bay Area. Anyways, probably not even enough actually. So great day. Let's look at the week. It's the first time I'm looking at this. What are we at? 60 at least. Yes, 68%. Oh, I made $80. Dang. This was only due to this damn Dollar Tree trade. If I didn't make this shitty trade, I would have been up a decent amount, $300. It's a solid week for a beginner anyways, especially with the 68% win rate. So obviously the profits aren't there. The market, I'm not, it's low volume, low volatility. So all these quick moves kind of like, they're not really home runs, or they're all base hits. So they don't add up to that much. And only one of these bad trades could take out your week. But it's a positive. I'm green this week, a positive profit factor, and a real big improvement on my win rate. And it's a good way to start January. So I'll look to improve on taking these swing trades, managing them better next week. And hopefully I'll be getting more sleep next week as well, which should help that. Let me know if you guys have any questions. That's my weekend review, or my Friday review as well. I'm going to go chill now, do some studying on Sunday, see what's going to happen next week. Remember, just keep your win rate up, keep your trades small if you can, and avoid these big ass losses. And your number will eventually go up, hopefully. Hope this helped. Have a good one, guys. Hold up. Oh, the transition's not working. Nice. I'm fucking cutting this shit. Have a good one.